Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing of the Chic Sparrow Folio Outlander Fergus in the B6 size. Enjoy! Here is a size comparison to the A5 Carol Ellis. This is just to compare the A5 to the B6. And this is to compare the leather size. Here's a lemon drop. The folio is slightly taller. Okay, here it is compared to a cream chocolate. And compared to the Outlander Fraser, and then compared to the Carol Duchess. The Stalogy B6 365 days notebook fits the B6 folio perfectly. And last but not least, here's a comparison of the B6 Slim Folio Cream in Huckleberry. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and don't forget to subscribe.